Everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today we are going to make Dolly Parton's Cinnamon Swirl Crumbcake. This is absolutely delicious. Now the ingredients that you will need are, you will need 1 box of Dolly Parton's Cinnamon Swirl Crumbcake, Pam, 2 eggs, and also some milk and butter. That's all the ingredients that you need to make this Cinnamon Swirl Crumbcake by Dolly Parton. Now she gives you 2 recipes on the back of the box. So if you want to make the crumb cake or if you want to make her muffins, you can make either or. Now for this video we're making the crumb cake and we're using an 8x8 dish to make that. But we're going to make for this video Dolly Parton's Cinnamon Swirl Crumb Cake. When you open up the box of Dolly Parton Cinnamon Swirl Cake Mix,
you're going to see 2 bags in it. One is the cake mix or muffin mix, whichever one, and then you have the topping or in the middle. So,
yes.
But I wanted to make sure you guys know there's 2 packages in this one box.
The first step to do this is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There's 2 separate steps here. And the steps are, I have our cake mix right here in a large bowl. Now you're going to take your cinnamon mix that she has right here, and this goes into a small bowl. So you have to have 2 bowls here. You have to have one for the cake mix and then one for the cinnamon swirl. I just wanted to recap here. We've got the cake mix right here in a large bowl. And then it also says in a small bowl, put the streusel, the cinnamon swirl stuff right here. Now what you're going to add to just this alone is 2 tablespoons of butter. That's it. That's all you're going to put into the cinnamon swirl. It's just 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's go over to our cake mix here. So I'm going to bring our cake mix back. You're going to add your 2 eggs. You're going to add your butter, a 1/2 cup. And you're also going to add your milk, which is a 1/2 cup as well. So that's going to go into your cake batter right here. We only use 2% milk in this cake.
And we have 2 slightly beaten eggs.
Yep.
Okay. All right, now the butter has, cooled.
What I have here is everything that we've added on in. Now it does not say use a mixer on this, so you're just going to stir this around.
And you will have some lumps in it, so you don't worry about that, but you're going to
And it looks like that.
You're going to bring it to a good stir.
And
you want to make sure that the cake on the bottom, because even with your stand mixers, you've got to check that.
Yeah.
To make sure that you have all the flour or cake batter, whichever one that you're using, a box cake or if you're making it homemade. You always need to check and make sure that your ingredients are all well incorporated.
All right.
We have our cake mix sitting at the side. Now, Deanna, here's what we're going to do now. Our mixture, which is the streusel itself, you're just going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter.
What I've done is I've taken our 8x8 pan right here and I've also sprayed it with Pam. And my mom is going to put the cake batter on in right now. See how we're putting that in?
What you're going to do, though, Deanna, is that you're going to put in half of the batter. And, you can eyeball it until pretty much what's half. And then you're just going to gently,
spread it out.
Right. Spread it out, honey.
And then we're going to put our cinnamon swirl in.
Yeah.
And that gives us that 2-tone.
Now, you can see that there's kind of like little peaks in there. Don't worry about that because this is going to be a coffee cake.
That way they can see what you're doing.
And, yeah.
Sorry for the movement of that.
Okay. So you just want to kind of, do this.
Now, when you do this, see how my mom has put like little daubs, like one here, one here, one here, one here. you want to get like a case knife or a spoon, and you want to just watch how you spread this out, because you'll disrupt your cinnamon mixture right here.
Take the remainder of the streusel, and I'm going to top it. And this is where this is going to give you your great flavor. And it's almost, you can almost taste it with your coffee, and it is so...
Or tea.
Yes. But I'm kind of a coffee drinker.
Mom's a coffee drinker, I'm a pop drinker.
So whatever your taste buds is,
yep,
this is what you want. So
yeah.
Anyways, you've got all your streusel, and you just kind of want to get it around really good.
Spread that out a little bit better.
Okay. Like I said, this is saying, Mary, it's time to have streusel and a cup of coffee.
Now, on the back of the package,
yes.
Once you get this done,
we're doing the 8x8. So you're going to look at the top, and where it says pan size, 8x8 inch, it's going to be 36 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees.
All right, everyone, this came out of our oven. Now, we cooked this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took
37 minutes.
37 minutes in our oven, because the cook time on this, now I'm going to reach in here again, on our 8-inch pan is 36 to 40 minutes. So this cooked 37 minutes in my oven. All right, everyone, here we are. I've got my mom and I, we're both going to do a taste test on the Dolly Parton Cinnamon Swirl Crumbcake. Now, my mom has her Tim Horton coffee, and I have my Canada Dry with 0 sugar.
Gotta cut calories somewhere.
Yeah. Anyways, so we're going to sample this. Now, this is my little piece right here, and that's my mom's. And you can see how good it looks.
See, it turned out really pretty.
Yeah.
You know, looks good.
And then
Let's
also,
taste it.
Here's my piece. I want you guys to see my piece. That turned out really good.
Okay, let's taste it, Deanna.
Okay. Hold on.
This is good.
I like it.
This tastes just as good as if I made it myself.
I want to thank everybody for watching our video today of our Dolly Parton Cinnamon Swirl Crumb Cake. It is really, really good. I really do like this.
It is very, very tasty.
And it's very homemade taste.
It has that great, and that's one thing that I really appreciate with Duncan Hines. They have a homemade taste to it. It's one of the best, and I use a lot of cake mixes and boxes, so my go-to is Duncan Hines.
Yeah, it tastes very, very homemade. This is just as good as if my mom made this from scratch. It is really good. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching our video today, and I want to thank all of our subscribers out there. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.